Hey guys, the forecast said it was supposed to rain tonight, and I thought it would be kind of fun to do a little backyard camping. Now, I've camped out in my backyard before, but never in the rain. So let's see if this works. Here's the shelter I'll be using. I just need to cover it up to make it a bit cozier. Here's the bed I'll be using tonight. It's already starting to come down quite a bit, so I'd better get started. Now let's check out what we're working with here. Yeah, pretty cozy. Got my lunch. Now, when I was planning this, I was originally going to have my computer right here, but now I'm not so sure if I want to take it out in the rain. Now I just need the rest of my camping supplies and we're good to go. We got the blanket and some pajama pants for tonight. Nice cozy hammock I'll be staying in. I've got a sketchbook in case I want to do some sketching later. A couple novels I've been reading. Some coffee I'll be sipping throughout the night. I also brought my favorite camping tool, my little kitty cat, and her favorite bed, which just so happens to be my suitcase. I don't expect she'll last very long before she wants to go inside, but it's nice to have company for a while. I thought about bringing everything outside so I wouldn't have to go inside at all tonight, but I figure since my house is right here, I might as well use that to my advantage. You know, toothbrush, toothpaste, a couple of step 2s, food. So I think other than a few supplies I'm going to bring out later, I'm pretty much set up for the night. And I think that means it's time for a step 2 if I'm following the guide correctly. The guide of Steve, that is. The rain's really coming down now. It's supposed to peak at about 6 and not let up till 4 tomorrow, so 4 tomorrow afternoon. I got the hammock, I got the kitty cat, I got some books, I got my blanket and some pajamas. I think it's finally time for a step 2. Misty's getting a bit restless. I think I'm gonna have to put her back inside soon. I have a broad idea of how I'm gonna spend this evening. The rain. Well, 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 we got another visitor. Looks like she wants in on the camping. Oh shit, it's locked. I'm gonna have to go inside and unlock it for her. Quick little update. I had to put Misty in because she was getting a bit antsy. I got some snacks and some water and a lighter in case I want some candlelight. As the rain's getting worse, it looks like it's leaking through the bottom of my makeshift tent a bit, which is not good. I have shoes, some little flip-flops to walk around in if I must. But what really worries me is over here, my electrical wires. I'm not sure how, but you see there's a bit of water leaking in there, and that's not too good. Suffice to say, I'm happy I didn't bring my computer out, and I definitely won't be bringing it out later. I've just been cozied up on the little couch here, and even here I felt a drop of rain. However it got in above me, I don't know. So for dinner, I was planning on going to McDonald's, but I guess I didn't think that far ahead, because I was going to walk there and back in the rain. I'm not sure I want to do that anymore, but I really want to make double. Alright, I'm heading off to McDonald's for dinner. The rain's letting up a little bit, but I'll still get a bit wet. Boy, is the river ever high today. I've returned to my little hidey hole and achieved some McDonald's. I had to wrap it in a plastic bag so it didn't get wet. Shit. Looks like that didn't work too well. Still warm though. Brief little update. The McDonald's made me feel like shit. I'm not giving up. I just thought I would mention it now in case it foreshadows some unfortunate events to come. But I guess we'll have to see. Misty's back. Say hi, Misty. I don't think she's a huge fan of camping. Can you see me? It's getting dark. Well, I'm feeling a bit better. I've just been watching YouTube on the couch here. I thought I'd light the candles for some light. Whatever good that did. I was hoping it'd be a bit brighter. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a night light in case I want to read. Plus it's getting real dark. Oh, I can see my breath. I managed to smuggle a lamp out without incident, but I gotta say it's not too fun going in and out in the rain. Looks like I'm finally getting boxed in a bit. So I finally made the move to the hammock. I'm not going to bed quite yet. I thought it might be fun to watch a horror movie on my phone tonight. Definitely the right kind of vibes for it. The puddle just keeps getting bigger. Misty's back. I went inside for a dookie and she was waiting at the door. So I figured she was a bit curious about what I was doing out here. So I got her her bed and another one in case she doesn't like that one. You know, now that she's out here, she doesn't look too happy. I'm letting her explore a little bit, so I know if I put her back inside, she'll want out again right quick. I won't let her sleep out here, that's for sure. Don't want her to get bit by a bug or maybe wander off in the night. Who knows? She's a curious kitty. That's why she's out here. Yeah, she wants back inside. I'm quite glad I didn't bring any more electronics out, like my PC or anything, because my pillow, it's a bit moist, and it hasn't touched the rain at all. It's just the humid air, I suppose, making it a bit wet. It's getting late and it's getting cold, so I'm calling it a night shear. See you guys in the morning. Am I cozy enough?